Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another holiday look, and we are doing this one here. It's a little bit more on the bold, edgy side, but still very festive with the blues and the glitter, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. If you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by taking my Lane Low paint pot and a flat brush. I'm going to use that to set my lid. I wanted to let you guys know what I'm wearing on my face. I have on the NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and the shade I'm wearing is Valencia, which is a much better match for me. I feel like it gives me just a little bit more color. And for concealer, I have on Shape Tape. Today we're playing with the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I'm going to take Fake Tan, which is this shade here, and I'm going to use that to dust all over my lid. I already know what I'm doing with this look. I'm really excited because a few weeks ago I asked on Instagram what look I should be doing, and I'm going to end up doing both looks because they received equal amounts of votes, but I really loved the blue. I am switching out the palette I'm using because I believed I used the Metropolis palette, but I've been featuring the Metropolis palette quite a bit. I needed to pull my hair out of the way. So I'm taking this Santos gel liner by Milk Cosmetics. I love their gel liners. I say that all the time. I'm going to take this MAC 210 liner brush, which is my favorite liner brush, and I'm going to use that to line my eye. And you guys know that I have been really into this winged look. I'm going to take Tiger Lily, which is one of my favorite shades in this palette, and I'm taking this Rephr 21 brush, flat brush, and I'm going to use that to pat that color on my lid. I'm actually going to go back into the liner and use that just to save some time to fill in some of this eye. I'm going to take my flat brush and then bring that into the lid. And I'm just patting this Tiger Lily right onto the liner, and then blending whatever's left on my brush. I'm taking a clean brush and just cleaning up the edges, and this is how we're going to leave it because we are going to fill in this inner corner with something really special. So this is what the eye look is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and we'll come back to finish this look, but I'm just gonna go take Tiger Lily again and just fill in any of those areas that look like it needs a little love. All right guys, so this is what we are working with, and I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to use that just to clean up the edges and to really get a very straight line. There you have it. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that concealer out, and it looks good. I'm debating if I want to go in with another shade. We're going in with glitter. I'm going to take this Pistol Glitter by I'm making a mess, Sydney Grace, and I am going to take my Too Faced glitter glue and I'm going to place it right in the inner part of my eye. I probably will end up taking this all over the lid because honestly this color is that beautiful. You'll see. I'm going to take the same flat brush I used to apply Tiger Lily, and I'm just going to start patting that right into the inner part, so where we've left blank, and then bringing it up and then bringing it into that blue. I'm dipping into the glitter. Look at how pretty this is. Alright guys, this is, I think, the final eye look. I love this colors. I love this glitter so much. I will warn you though, it's so fine, it gets everywhere. But, woo, love it. Alright, so for a look this bold, you definitely want to wear lashes, but I'm just going to build up my mascara because my lashes can get to where they look very dramatic. So if you're not somebody that likes to wear lashes, then just build up your own natural lash to get this really full dramatic lash. Yeah, see, it makes a difference. Alright guys, I'm going to take this YSL Touche Eclat 3D all over face powder. Looks like this. And I'm just going to use a large fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that all over my face just to add a little glow to my complexion. For my cheeks, I'm going to be using the Patrick Ta She's That Girl blush set. I'm going to start off by taking the powder and then using that on my cheeks, and then taking a little bit of the cream and also adding that to my cheeks. And yes, I used the cream on top of the blush like he had suggested. And I do like it because it does give your skin some of that glow back. For my lips, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier Natural Lips and NARS Walk This Way. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you what this looked like. I'm not feeling this color, so I'm going to go ahead and pick out something that's a little bit more neutral, and then I'll show you guys a finished look. Alright guys, so I ended up going in with NARS Just What I Needed, and I love the way that it looks. I think it just kind of grounds the eye look. So just to show you guys what the finished look is. I love it. I love it. You guys know I'm a sucker for this. I think it is just really fun and festive. It's just a nice way to jazz up your look. So I absolutely love it. And I think that if you have the Tropic palette, bring it out. It's the sparkly season. It's that time of the year where you can cover yourself in glitter and it's okay. I hope that you guys enjoyed this holiday look. Please be sure to subscribe and like this video. It does help my channel. And lastly, leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of holiday look you'll be rocking this season. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.